Canada's World Cup isn't just about goals, it's about desserts that score big. Meet the Nanaimo bar, crumbly, creamy, and chocolatey. So let's start with this easy recipe. To a bowl, add 1 cup of crumb biscuits, and here I'm using coconut tennis biscuits. To this, add in 3/4 cups of coconut powder, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, 1/3 of a cup of cocoa, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt, and then just mix this all together so that it is properly incorporated. Now it's time to add in the wet ingredients, and for this you will need to add in 1/3 cup of unsalted butter, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix this all together until you get a soft dough. The dough should look like this, and now we're going to add this into a 20 centimeter square cake pan. Make sure the pan is properly greased because we will need to remove these from the cake pan. Flatten out so it is about 1 centimeter thick. And this is what it needs to look like. Bake this in a preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes. Remove and allow to cool completely. So we need to allow it to cool because we don't want the next layer to melt when we add it into the pan. Moving on to our next layer, which is the custard layer. To a bowl, add 1/3 cup of unsalted butter. To this, add in 2 tablespoons of custard powder, about 3 tablespoons of full cream milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1/8 teaspoon of fine salt, and 2 cups of icing sugar. Use an electric beater to mix all the ingredients together until you get a smooth consistency. It should look like icing, something like this. Using a flat spatula, mix the custard layer in the bowl and then spread this over the crust layer. Make sure it's evenly spread out to about 1 centimeter thick. Cover this with some cling wrap or plastic wrap and place this into the fridge to set. You can cut them into desired shapes after refrigerating or before. And normally you would place in melted chocolate over the top after refrigeration, but I'm going to place these over a counter and then decorate because I want some kind of pattern on them. And I'm going to get the desired pattern by melting some chocolate and then placing into an icing bag and decorating as shown. You could also use the traditional method of just pouring the chocolate over the custard layer and allowing it to set. It is entirely your choice, and this is what I desired. If you're choosing to decorate these individually, look how amazing these look. Place them in a refrigerator to set for 1 hour. Now let me show you the different layers of the Nanaimo bars. You've got your crust, your custard, and your chocolate layer on the top. I would highly recommend trying out this recipe because it is absolutely delicious and perfect for special occasions as well. If you do try the recipe, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and let me know how it turned out for you. See you in episode 4 of my World Cup food series. What do you think I'm making next? Leave a comment to let me know, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And of course, hit that notification bell. Catch you in the next vlog.